I kind of like the model that Felix Zulauf, who I've had a few chats with digitally, um, had a rolling inflation deflation model where we would go through various periods of inflation and deflation, and it sounded like he was pretty tame. Felix is very bearish sometimes, and but then at the very end he says it's going to be awful. And I go, okay, so you got to the bottom line. So the bears out there, there's very few serious bears who have lightened up, and the deflationists seem to have gone inflationist. But one of them got mad at me for suggesting he was still a deflationist. And I didn't really suggest he was a deflation. I just said that the Fed put them in their place. And he said, no, I was right about inflation. He wanted me to correct my write-up. And so I actually did, but it was a trivial correction. But he took offense because he had switched to inflation. And he thought I was not giving him credit for it. I go, no, what he failed to notice is I put him with two other phenomenally important deflationists. I said, I put you in the big leagues, dude. Stop whining.